Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use a promo code on Grubhub. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. Now the first thing you actually want to do is head over to either the website or the Grubhub app. It doesn't actually matter which device you're on, it will work for either. From here you just want to log into your account. And then you want to just choose the food that you're trying to buy. So let's just say I wanted to get a McDonald's. And then I just want to choose what I actually want to order. From here, you can just add this to your basket. And then we can proceed to checkout. Okay, so now we're at the Grubhub checkout. And all we want to do is just scroll down to the bottom. And where you can see payment method, you should be able to see an option as well that says add a promo code. So in order to add our promo code for Grubhub, we just want to click this. And then from here, we can just type in whatever our promo code is. And then we can click apply and it will be added. And then as long as it is a valid promo code, it will be added to your order and you will be able to get whatever discount it is offering. So that's how you can use promo codes on Grubhub. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.